Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to change your wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy A40. So you must pinch your fingers together on the home screen. Now you must tap to wallpapers. And here you can see my wallpapers. And here are all preloaded wallpapers. So you can choose which one you like most. So for example this blue one. And now phone asks you if you want to set it to home screen, lock screen or to both. So we choose to both. Now just confirm. And we have this wallpaper on the lock screen and also on home screen. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye.